day 5, last day of this adventure, eh? So looking forward to go home. अहिले Mount Gambier मा breakfast खान लागेको. So यहाँबाट पानी त पर्दैन भनेछ तर the sky tells me otherwise, eh? The clouds are looks like rain clouds पनि तर let's see. So thanks for joining me in this small adventure. यो adventure चाहिँ mainly अब त्यस्तो full on adventure पनि हैन. You were just getting to know my motorbike, हैन? So just chilling over there at the moment. एकदमै फोहोर भएको छ. So it needs a nice clean, it needs a servicing. It's my first servicing to be honest. Yeah, so I'm going to see you on the road. And I'm going to enjoy my breakfast for now. Yeah. We're leaving Mount Gambier अब हैन अनि now heading to Melbourne. Weather त खै घरि क्लियर हुन्छ घरि धुम्मिन्छ अब not sure. It is what it is, हैन. Let's hit the road, right? Hi guys, sorry to interrupt the video. Real quick, if you were watching my South Australia solo motorbike trip, it was a 5 days trip. I uploaded day 1 to day 4, but day 5 never made it to YouTube because I thought I actually lost the footage. But last week I was going through my things and I found my SD card and I was very happy. So I quickly edited the video and you're watching it at the moment. So I thought I would quickly explain why it was so late. But you can go back and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you and please subscribe. Yeah, I hope the weather stays यतिकै यार यतिकै भयो भने त कुदाउन पनि मजा आउँछ हैन सन साइनिङ यतिखेर त हिजो पानीले भिजाएर बिजोग भइरहेछ हैन मेरो बुट्स पनि स्टिल वेटै छ हैन त्यस्तो वेट त हैन ड्राई त धेरै जस्तो भइसकेछ त्यही पनि इट्स फिल्स अलिकति अनकम्फर्टेबल थ्याङ्क यू माउन्ट ग्याम्बियर हैन आई स्टेड हियर अन माई डे 1 अनि डे 5 मा पनि आज so saying goodbye to this place now. रोडवर्क्स बाटोभरि है जे होस् रोडवर्क्सले चाहिँ हामीलाई कहीँ पनि छोड्दैन जे होस् बट लुक एट दिस फरेस्ट एरिया हैन यो रिजनलाई चाहिँ द ग्रीन ट्रायंगल भन्छ है सो दिस इज वेयर यु नो द रिजन अराउन्ड लाइमस्टोन कोस्ट यो माउन्ट ग्याम्बियरको एरिया चाहिँ देयर इज अलवेज सम हेभी रेन्स द्याट्स वाइ देयर इज सो मच ग्रिनरी absolutely loving the forest alongside the road so far so good. कत्रो लामो ट्रक पास भयो यार यो 40 मा कुदाएर चाहिँ मजै आइरहेको छैन है जस यो ठुलो हार्ली चाहिँ 40 मा कुदाउँदा मजा आइरहेको छैन मिनिमम you enjoy this bike हैन when the speed is at least 80 above but it is what it is there are roadworks everywhere you can't change it so I'm just gonna enjoy it. राम्रो क्या यो फरेस्ट ग्रिनरी एरिया त्यही भएर एकछिन रोकेर यसको हैन यसको फिल यसको भाइब अलिकति एब्जर्भ गरौँ भनेर क्या अनि मेबी अल फ्लाइ ड्रोन पनि दामी देखाउँछ जस्तो छ लेट्स डु दिस है त We're gonna leave this amazing looking forest area, right? We're gonna hit the highway, no more distraction. Victoria Harbour. there's some sudden change in weather अहिले चाहिँ हैन अब त्यो डार्क क्लाउड्सहरु फेरि आइराछ हैन सो बाटो पनि स्ट्रेट छ त्यही भएर मजा पनि आइराछ है कुदाउनु चाहिँ तर as long as it doesn't rain I should be fine so let's get to Hamilton first and hopefully if the weather stays like this we'll continue our journey if not we'll rest up for a bit but the plan is to get to Melbourne as soon as I can ल यार झन्डै यो टर्न मिस भएको यार लास्ट मिनटमा देखेँ झन् म्याप हेरेर टर्न गरिहालेँ अलिकति टायर्ड पनि छु हिजोको त्यो पानीले गर्दाखेरि एकदमै बिजोग भइरहेछ क्या एकदम टायर्ड छु सो आई निड टु कन्सन्ट्रेट अन द रोड अहिले चाहिँ लट अफ यस्तो लामो खाले ट्रक क्या यो बाटोमा किनकि यहाँनिर चाहिँ त्यो फरेस्टमा टन्न वर्कहरू भइरहेको रहेछ टिम्बरको सो देयर इज लट अफ वार्निङ Alright, finally we are entering Grampians हैन Grampians आउँदा चाहिँ एकदमै रमाइलो भइरहेछ द्याट्स द Grampian Peaks हैन बाटो अहिले पनि एकदमै स्ट्रेटै छ त्यही भएर मजा चाहिँ आइरहेछ जे होस् है alright let's get to Grampians and we'll do a bit of a pit stop there and hopefully there's a good tea place so I can enjoy a cup of tea if not the show goes on we'll still continue our journey And guys, I was having a reflection of this trip, today is the last day of the trip, I'm heading to Melbourne. I was having a bit of a reflection and I'm really glad I did this trip. I feel so calibrated. I feel, I've definitely reset myself. I've got a clear mindset. I took on this challenge. I did it, a solo motorbike ride on a brand new Harley as well. I'm not used to cruiser type of motorbike, but I did it. Now I get to look back and I get to look back on all the memories I made on this trip and that will always bring a smile on my face so I thought I'll quickly share those thoughts with you guys and let's continue with this road trip. राम्रो रेस्टिङ पोइन्ट रहेछ हैन बस्ने ठाउँहरू बनाइदिएको यहाँ अरू मान्छेहरू पनि बसिरहेछ फोटो खिचिरहेछ तर अब यहाँ चाहिँ यसो ज्याकेट लाउनु पर्यो भनेर जाडै छ क्या घाम अलिअलि लागे पनि जाडै छ अर्को ज्याकेट पनि लाउनु पर्यो अनि ज्याकेट लगाएर गो टु अ नेक्स्ट टाउन एन्ड हल्का चिया त खानै पर्यो हैन अनि हल्का चिया खाने हो अनि मेरा वे स्टिल प्लेन्टी अफ टाइम अलिअलि घरै जाने अँधेरोमा पुग्यो भने केही फरक पर्दैन अघि मैले उज्यालोमै पुग्छु भनेको त थिएँ तर आई डोन्ट थिङ्क यो ट्रिपमा मलाई कहीँ पनि उज्यालोमा पुग्ने चाहिँ लेखेको छ जस्तो लागेन सो सो आफ्टर दिस वी आर गोना गेट टु यहाँ लाइक कपल मिनट्स बस्छु अनि त्यहाँदेखि यहाँबाट जानु पर्ला है alright we'll see you on the road. Alright guys, I'm back on the road. I'm trying to get this 360 video going. Hopefully you guys enjoy this angle.
Guys, hopefully you enjoyed that 360 video angle, but I will not recommend you guys to use the 360 camera the way I was using, because it's pretty dangerous. I was only doing that because it's a pretty empty road. Shouldn't be doing it. You should be investing on a nice clamp and a mount that goes on your handlebar, and you can take a video footage safely as well. Yeah. And looks like the clouds are back. Hopefully it looks like it's gonna rain. Hopefully it doesn't, but I can see a wind farm all the way up in the horizon. Hopefully I can take some drone footage before the rain hits us. I definitely enjoyed all those windmill. I wish I could take a lot of drone footage, but it was too windy for me to stay there any longer. I had to land the drone because there was a notification saying it's too windy, you got to bring your drone back. But I was able to take enough footage for you guys to enjoy.
यार यहाँ फेरि के को नाटक हो कति रोड हो हुन्छ यार झन् घर आउन पाएर मक्ख परेको यार हल्का चिया खान्छु भनेर
ल यताबाट च्याप दिनु पर्यो यार भिक्टोरिया चाहिँ स्टेट रोड वर्क्सको स्टेटै हो क्या इन अ वे इट्स अ गुड थिङ तर इट्स फ्रस्ट्रेटिङ क्या रोड वर्क नथिङ वर्स देन गेटिङ स्टक इन अ बिट अफ अ रोड वर्क एन्ड
होपफुल्ली यो त्यति लामो छैन हैन अब यहाँबाट मेबी 25 मिनट्स म्याक्स जस्तो लाग्दैछ घर पुग्न we should be fine. Finally आफ्नो घर आउन आँटेको छ है हल्का एक्साइटमेन्ट फिल भएको छ अझै एनर्जी भएको भए त अलिकति हैन एनर्जी र मेरो हुन्छ नि बडी अलिक फिट भएको भए वननपुलको वेबाट आउन मिल्थ्यो होला हैन ग्रेट ओसन रोड हुँदै तर मिलेन
Alright, finally आफ्नो टोल आइपुगेको छ हैन I've just entered my suburb and it feels good and I just wanna go home. There is a proper Nepali dal bhat masu waiting for me. I just wanna go home, smash it and take some rest because I think I'm just gonna go home and crash after dinner. It's been such an amazing journey. Thank you everyone for joining in. Thank you everyone for watching all my videos. Keep supporting. This has been amazing, guys, and it feels great getting back home as well. So it's from here it's literally 20 seconds to get home, and can't wait. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go home and also give you a bit of a recap on this journey as well, and end this 5 days solo motorbike trip. It's been exciting, it's been amazing. I've learned a lot. What an adventure for me. Thank you once again, guys. Hello everyone, welcome to next day. You're saying
हिजो चाहिँ होइन हिजो भिडियो बनाउँछु हिजो रिक्याप दिन्छु भने थिएँ तर मिलेन किनभने घरमा गएँ मासु भात खाएको त पुरै क्रास भएछ होइन अनि आज नेक्स्ट डे आम एट माई फेभरेट रेस्टुरेन्ट है अलिकति अब त्यत्रो लामो ट्रिप पछाडि आएर ट्रिट माइसेल्फ है सो द ट्रिप वाज भेरी zen if I have to reflect back the whole week was full of mindfulness to me है अनि I get to know my Harley अलिकति बेसी होइन it was a right यो ग्रुपरमा हाल्छु so it was right motorbike right state अनि right attitude पनि I really needed that the whole trip has been fun it was amazing I highly recommend you to get out and explore Australia there's so much to see it's a vast country it's a continent in itself people underestimate it but when you realize there's landscape different terrains it's amazing so get out there guys explore Australia thank you for showing so much support throughout the series if you are watching the video if you have watched my video feel free to subscribe please subscribe actually it will help the channel it motivates me to do better so I can put out some great contents to you but other than that I'll see you in next video thank you once again see you later